friends, welcome to my channel. So in this episode we are going to discuss about the chapter 9, algebraic expressions and identities. So in this episode I am only telling the introduction of exercise 9.1. The first, what are expressions? Okay, let me give you an example. This is an expression. What does an expression contain? An expression contain in this expression the constants are 2 and 3, and it also contains a variable. And a numerical operation. Okay. So you understood what are expressions. Now let's see what are terms, factors and coefficients. Okay. Okay, what are terms? When you look at terms, the numerical operation in the expression plays a major role, that is a medium. Okay, the value before the numerical operation is one term and the value after the numerical operation is another term. Means in this expression 2x plus 3y there are two terms. One is 2xy and 3y. Okay. Now let's see what are factors. Okay, now factors. Now let's take another example. Let's change the numerical symbol, that is into. Okay. Now the product of these two terms is called factors. For suppose when you take 2x into 3y, 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and x and y you have to write the same. So the factor is 6xy. Let's see what are coefficients. Okay, what are coefficients? For suppose take this term 2x. In this the value before the variable, here the variable is x and y in this expression. So the value before this variable is 2. So 2 is considered as a coefficient. And here the value before the variable, that is y, is 3. So here 3 is considered as a coefficient. So I know many of you will get doubt if it is written like x plus y. So in this expression, in this case, you have to take 1 as the coefficient, as there is no number or no constant in front of the variable. Okay. Next, let's see what are monomials, binomials and trinomials. Okay, what are monomials? Now as I showed before, there are terms. Okay, if there is only one term like 3x, this is called a monomial. Then what is binomial? Having two terms. For example, 2x plus 3y. Next, what is trinomial? 5 plus 3z plus 3x square. This is trinomial. And polynomial, having 4. So all this together is called polynomial, and having more than 3 terms is also called as a polynomial. Next, let's go to like and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms. In this, like terms means if the two terms are having the same variable are called like terms. For example, 3x plus 3y or 3x is called 6x square. Okay. Then unlike terms means, as I showed, this is an unlike term. 2x plus 3y means the variables are different. So you understood what are like and unlike terms. Now I'll show you the addition and subtraction with algebraic expressions. Addition. If this is the sum of addition, let's see how to solve this. Now, let's come from here. 2x plus xy. There are no minus symbols for both of the terms. So, you have to add directly. 2x plus xy is equal to 3xy. Now, here you have to check one thing. Plus and minus is minus. So, you have to check 3 minus 2 is x square. The bigger number sign is plus, so plus x square. And here 5 plus 10, both are plus symbols, so I have to add directly. 5 plus 10 plus 15. That's it. The sum is done. So, when it comes to subtraction, subtraction. When the sum is like this, when it comes to minus, first before you write, okay, every time the sum will be given like this. The sum will be given like this. When it is given like this, when they say from, means from this expression you have to subtract this. Before you write this expression here, you have to do one thing. You have to subtract this whole expression with minus